normal, okay, growing in the height and also the height and also length. Number 17, growth in diameter is called what? Oppositional. So you build up the bone tissue inside out, oppositional. Number 18 is a basically common sense question. So normal bone growth, development, or maintain the normal, you need minerals, you need hormones, you need vitamins, you need exercise. Just common question, all above, basically. Study very briefly about fracture. I specific ask you the most common, almost not really the most common, but a very common fracture, Colles fracture, distal end fracture of the radius bone. So radius distal end fracture, Colles fracture. Happened to a lot of my friends, okay? And then the axial and also appendicular skeleton, you need to know, I have one question, ask you, which of the following is not axial bone? Or which of the following is not appendicular bone? Appendicular, shoulder, pelvic girdle, upper, lower knee. And the axial, skull, thorax, and the vertebral column, including sacrum coccyx, and also the ear bones. Okay, everything in the center. So you can study there. Which facial bone are singles? Two of them are singles. Which facial bone are single? Mandible and vomer. Vomer, mandible. Other than that, on each side, there are always two paired. Maxillary, nasal, lacrimal, zygomatic, palatal, and the inferior nasal concha. They all paired. Okay? And the couple bone, tarsal bone, I already emphasized, you should know 8, 7, and 14. Okay? Let's look at the joints. The joints is kind of also like memorization. And this is a very simple question, the number 1 and the number 2. So which joint has a joint cavity? Synovial. Which one has the most freedom of the movement? Diarthrosis. Okay? And number 3, I already answered for you. And 3, one question, what is that connective tissue? Ligament, right? Yeah. And what is most responsible? Oh, okay, the other one, okay, but what is most responsible for holding the bones together in the synovial joint? Ligament, okay? So what secretes the synovial fluid? Synovial membrane. What's for? Lubrication and also function as almost like blood, almost like blood. Provides nutrients, remove the waste. Okay, and among those movements, I have at least 3 questions, such as you have like a multiple choice by the description, you know how you move your limb. So you have the definition, flexion, extension, abduction, adduction, and I have a special movement, dorsiflexion, plantar flexion, foot up, dorsiflexion, foot down, plantar flexion, supination, pronation, the palm position, palm up, supination, down, back, pronation. Okay, go through there. And the synovial joints, first I'll remember all the synovial joints. Oh, no, we have not even synovial. Fibrous joint. Okay, 3 types, name the 3 types, and each one give me one example. Fibrous joints, first one is suture. An example, coronal suture. Second subtype, syndesmosis. Example, the joint between the tibia and the fibula on the distal end. Third one, interosseous membrane between your forearm bone, radius and ulnar, between your leg bones, tibia and the fibula, interosseous membrane. Okay? two types cartilaginous joint I went over with you: synchondrosis, symphysis. Do all the symphysis occur in the midline of the body? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, all the symphysis joint, pubic symphysis, intervertebral disc have to be in the middle line because you have symmetric of the two parts of the body. Okay. Synovial joints, in this table, 2 lab questions and 5 lecture questions. So you really need to know this very well. Okay. What are the 6 types of the synovial joint? So let's go to the your lab manual 20, page 23, your lecture notes, page 36. Quick review. This is all the synovial joint, and notice I don't ask you the plantar, gliding joint. So I only ask you. So what's happening? I leave this for seconds and for a couple more minutes, so you can write down, you can take a picture, and this is your answer key for the lab manual. And you can study them today, and the weekend will help you with the lecture exam. Okay, will help you with the lecture exam. After a couple more minutes, I will go over those joints with you. Okay. For the lecture, the whole table. Okay, you need to remember the whole table. Synovial joint. And I'm going to go over with you with the lab and the lecture. Which one is a hinge? Which one is desk? Which one is condyloid? We'll go through that. And this is your roster. I'm very glad so far our attendance is really, really good. Okay, for all the 3 classes. Okay, it's basically almost like 100%. Okay.